Omuhezu wa chairman w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya KIKUUBE ari hamwe n'abakansara bamwe bekwasire hamwe kuhakanisa ehuriro yo kwiha abantu mu itaka ry'obukama bwa Bunyoro kitara bwapangise investor wa Bunyoro Sugar Limited okuhinga ebikijo kumara emyaka 99 erya Kyangwari ancestral land binjeri bari kumanya nk'ekibira kya Bugoma omugombora ya Kabwoya.
Group yo kubanza eri pure abasubuzi abayizire kusare mbao kwokya makara nokore bindi nebindi baitu haliyo abataka abaikaireyo kumara emyaka n'emyaka.
The leaders are within us. That is why you see they are always hiding. They don't want to surface, but they have been getting money from these people and even failing them from Busoga that you come, we own the forest. This forest is not owned by an individual.
Ori omujekirwa mukuru w'ihanga habwa district ya KIKUUBE yagamba ngo enchwameka kurwo rukikorwa byo kwerinda bitungo Pio Vincent, Nicholas Chiza, Samuel Muganzi hamwe n'abakansara abandi batwire nibashoroza sente mu bantu ababire n'ubosya makaro mu kibireki.
Very many of them are now busy mobilizing, even here, that some of the executive members who have been benefiting from this illegality are now mobilizing the task seat and have an extraordinary council meeting, and then we say the president should take away the RDC because the RDC has chased away people, has evicted people. No, it's not the RDC, it is the system.
Can the leader byakubaza ebyo tisano commenting? That one is nothing to me, tina makuru. So ebya bibaze baita mazima gaja kuzoka abakwani tumanya ekiretereze kile kintu kubaho tukumanya mazima gaja kuzoka kandi umusoyi azoke.
Ubwat hariho n'abantu abakambikira hambuga nkuru za district ya KIKUUBE bari kugira ngo bine bihandike biri kureka ko mukama wa Bunyoro kitara Dr. Solomon Gafabusa iguru wo kubanza yabahirita ko mwanya n'ugugumwe oguhoye Sugar Limited kugira ngo bakapanyisa.
NFA battled with the kingdom and the kingdom won the case. So we are like, now we are free. Since NFA has lost the battle, then we should take over our land. Since then, we have been using our land. Until when, of recent, we are intruded by army officers and chased us away from our land.
The chairperson LC1 of Nyairongo is here. I'm the councillor of Kaseta Parish. We haven't had any leader from any level that is the one who's sending people to occupy the land. No, I have given you the procedures of what people used to occupy the land and why they are saying still the land is theirs.
Fred Mugenyi urukuru rugando rukurwamo mukama wa Bunyoro kitara nagira ngo nakimanya ko mukama yaheriza itakabamo mu bantu abarumunka Mustafa Zaid owa MZ Limited aba Triple Veterans Association hamwe n'abandi obabiri batakapangisa square mile abernibira bahoye Sugar Limited.
This agreement that was signed, it was supposed to be reviewed after 5 years and I expect the 5 years to have elapsed. I don't know why. It has not been reviewed.
Orutara hagati yahoye Sugar Limited hamwe n'abamo mu bantu nangwa n'ekitongole kiri kurinda ebiro mu ihanga ekya National Forestry Authority rutwireho ku rugo mu mwaka gwa 2016 gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.